Alright guys, this is Ron Counts 1939 Packard. We just got through doing it. Alright guys, we're over here at Counts Customs and we finally got the 39 Packard finished. And he just started it up, guys. I'm so excited. So he's gonna drive it off and we're gonna do a quick walk around, guys, and see all of the gadgets and gizmos that we actually have done already, man. This is an awesome day. The first time it's been outside. We call it the Black Beast. Ooh, look at that. Oh, Counts Custom, man. I'm telling you. Wow. God dang, man. This thing is immaculate, guys. I tell you, this thing is immaculate. First time it's been outside. He said he drove it. You said you drove it up the hill.
I drove it up the top of the hill and back a couple of times.
Let's do a walk around. I know. Let's do a walk around. Look at this here, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. Ron did a good job, man. Look at that. Yeah, I did his wheels. I mean, everything's just popping, guys. Golly. Now, what size tires are those, Ron? Those are 22s?
20's just in the hole.
Yo, 20s in the hole, but 22s around?
22's around.
Now, I'm not going to tell you guys pretty much everything what's going on because you guys already know as far as what he's done to this vehicle. Okay, so, I mean, you know, he actually fabricated all this stuff, man. Fabricated the pockets there on both sides. Normally it was only one, but he had to widen it because he made that wider tires.
So I got the yellow mirror on, let's see it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so he put his other mirrors on. I'll tell you, everything goes smooth. And you can see pretty good out of them, can't you? All this stuff is just so, it's subtle details. There's not a lot of, he didn't go crazy on this vehicle, man. I mean, it's just hard to believe. I'm gonna get on the other side of it. All this is fabricated. Like I told you guys, these are Harley Davidson bows that he put in there and recessed it. Let's see if I guys can see even that front bumper there. Okay, that is all original OEM equipment there. This is that. It's just a chrome bumper that they had re-chromed. He actually fabricated this piece here because now he got power steering and his power steering box is there. And like I said, you guys need to go back and look at the 39 Packard build. I don't want to stay and go over the same stuff I went over before. But I'm in love with this one. He cut it in half, 14 inches right there. Somewhere around in here. I mean, I can't tell, but it's somewhere right around in here. And then he put that beautiful sunroof up there. Look at that. Put that sunroof up there. He got power windows, power locks on this vehicle. He redid the running boards. I think this is the only thing that may be not new because he actually made that out of I think it was 16 gauge steel. These running boards right there. He also got new handles, door handles, everything right here. He put poppers on it. I'm gonna show you guys that interior, man. He just got through with the interior, I'll tell you.
Go ahead, open it. You open it.
Sit inside, guys. God.
Open the bathroom too.
Oh man, I tell you, this is a treat, guys. I came just in time. I've been foaming to get this here. Look at this. Suicide doors. Let me step back and so y'all guys can see that. Look at that, man. You got suicide doors. I had to cut the doors in half as well. Okay? And you guys, like I said, look at the video. Y'all guys saw all that. Look at this here. That design. Just got through. Look at that underneath there. Packard. Man, look at it. That is so nice, man. I'm gonna get in that baby in a minute, and we're gonna do everything works, guys. Gauges, Dakota digital gauges. Hey Ron, could you open up that back door? Cause it's too. I mean, I don't wanna go to the back door. Look at that. It comes all the way out. The interior comes all the way out. Wow. Wooden floor, and I like how he put the accents of wood on the back of the bench seat in the back. And he got this design coming all the way through the vehicle. Look at it there. How it flows. Look at that door. That is cool, man. And he also put this brake light in here. He actually Frenched that in, you know, and stuff. I showed you guys that in videos and stuff. You guys got to go look at that video, man. How he did that. This car got so many details, guys. Y'all just don't understand. See how he made that thing there? I tell you what, I couldn't tell you guys. And I did show you guys some videos of how he did that. That is awesome, man. All right, crew. Hey, I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride today. We finally got that 39 Packard finished doing the videos on that there. We finally was able to do the final walkthrough, and I tell you what, this thing is an eye catcher, man. I tell you, you know, we was calling it the Black Beast, but she's a Black Beauty, man. So hey, I really want to appreciate you guys for hanging out with the Cigar Man today. You know, hey, I just hope that these videos keep coming and coming like this, because it just can't get no better than this here, man. I'm so glad that we was able to get this 39 Packard of Ron Counts, you know, in here, in our little collection here, guys. And I tell you what, hopefully we'll make them proud, man, because this vehicle is something to be proud about. So like I always tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, Smoke him if you got him, baby.